Hello, it's Thursday, the 24th of February 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell against most of the major currencies despite the unrest in the Middle East and mounting speculation that the European Central Bank and the Bank of England will attempt to curb inflation by raising interest rates before the Federal Reserve. The Fed has kept its key rate at 0 to 0.25% since December 2008 to support economic recovery, and it seems that it will be continued to do so. The Nasdaq and the Dow fell for a second day, weakening by 1.21% and 0.88% respectively, as a result of concern that higher energy prices will slow economic growth. Crude oil continued to surge, reaching $100 a barrel, owing to the situation in Libya. Crude orders strengthened by 6% and closed at $99.10 a barrel. Gold strengthened by 0.7% to close at $1,411.75 an ounce, as escalating political instability in the Middle East and North Africa boosted investor demand for safe assets. The euro rose against the greenback on speculation the ECB will be hiking rates sooner than expected. European Bank President Trichet said that the bank's policymakers will make the necessary adjustments to maintain price stability. The euro-dollar's momentum is bullish as long as the rate is above 137.50. If the pair breaks below this level, the euro could decline to 136.80. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 135.26 and a high of 137.75. No major economic data is expected today. The pound rose against the dollar due to speculation that the BOE will hike interest rates before the Fed. Main resistance remains at 162.50. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 162.50, it may check support at 161.80. Overall, the pair traded with a low of 161.01 and a high of 162.73. The yen rose against other major currencies on speculation that tensions in the Middle East and North Africa will worsen, boosting demand for the yen as a refuge. The dollar-yen has broken support at 82.50, leaving momentum bearish for the dollar. As long as it's below 82.50, a short position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.30 and a high of 83.42. Japan's trade balance showed its first deficit since April 2009, with BOJ Yamaguchi told reporters that deflation seems to be easing. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This rose against the US dollar as escalating violence in Libya continued to reduce oil prices. The dollar CAD's resistance is at 0.9925. Should the pair break above this level, the momentum will become bullish. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9857 and a high of 0.9958. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.